As a firm owner, do you ever feel like you're repeating yourself over and over again to your employees where it just seems like something's not clicking? Well, you're actually not alone. I've experienced this many times. And a good example is that if they saw a client that had a Schedule C, to me, they should have automatically asked, do they have home office or mileage? And for some reason, a few employees always forgot to ask or follow up on these items. Even though I repeated myself and I told them over and over again, remember to do this, remember to do this, but just wasn't clicking. I told them like 2 or 3 times. And for me, maybe as a firm owner, I thought that I only had to say it once and they should easily understand that it was really important and it was easy to remember. It's just Schedule C, home office, mileage. But studies have shown that it takes 7 times for someone to really get the message. There's actually a saying that says that you have to say it 7 times before someone hears it the first time. And it's not a bad thing. That's just how the human brain works. Think of it as like you're planting a seed and you're watering it. And the more you water it, it will grow. So the same thing goes for employees. So if you want your team to master a new skill like tax preparation, well, it's going to be repeat, repeat, repeat. Now the problem is that whatever the firm owner is repeating is verbatim every single time. And what you have to do is actually vary the way you repeat the message. So here are 3 ways to make it stick. The first way is communicate the message in different formats, meaning that one could be in a meeting, the second one could be in an email, the third one could be in as a video. There's so many different ways that could reinforce that same message. The second way, which I personally love, is using visuals, using examples, and being more hands-on when it comes to delivering the message. So let's admit, by saying it over and over again, it just sounds like lecturing. So put it into different ways of saying the same message. So you would make infographics, flowcharts, some kind of training exercise, something to make it more engaging. And the third one is to celebrate small wins. This is where you acknowledge your employees when they actually applied what they learned. It's a great way to boost confidence and it makes them want to repeat that success. So next time you're training your team, keep those 3 things in mind. So remember, repetition isn't about saying the exact same thing, the exact same way at different times. It's about getting the same message across, but in different ways. So apply it and watch your team level up. And follow our other social media page to get more tips and tricks when it comes to training your team.